You wake up, you stretch, you grab your phone, you check the time, 7:02 a.m. You sigh because somehow you're already tired. Not, I need coffee tired. I mean deep, heavy, whole body tired. Like your energy forgot to show up with you this morning. Now here's the weird part. You actually did everything right. You slept early. You avoided caffeine. You even tried that no phone before bed thing. And yet, here you are, still exhausted. So let me ask you something. If sleep is supposed to fix tiredness, then why are you still tired? Here's where things get interesting, because the problem isn't your sleep. It's your energy system. Your body is not low on rest. Your body is leaking energy. Right now, inside your body, there's something acting like a tiny hole in a battery. You keep charging it with sleep, but it never fills up. Why? Because it's leaking faster than you can recharge it. Let's test this right now. No guessing. Look at your fingernails. Do you see vertical lines? Now check under your eyes. A little darker than usual? That's not just stress. That's your body quietly saying enough. You've been told, just sleep more. So you try it. Weekend comes, you sleep 10 hours. That's 600 minutes. And you wake up, still tired. Explain that. If sleep was the cure, you should wake up feeling unstoppable. But you don't, because sleep is not fixing the real problem. So what's actually happening inside you? Inside your body are tiny engines called mitochondria. Think of them like mini power stations. Their job? Turn food plus oxygen into energy. But right now, yours are clogged. Not broken, not dead, just blocked. It's like trying to run a car, but someone sealed the exhaust pipe. Fuel is there, engine is there, but nothing works. That's why by 2 p.m., your brain feels like it's wrapped in cotton wool. If that cotton wool brain feeling sounds familiar, type restore in the comments. I want to see how many people are dealing with this. You see, it's not just you. Now look around your home. Is your spouse falling asleep during movies? Is your dad not as sharp as before? Is that spark slowly fading? This isn't random. It's the same hidden energy leak. And if this is helping you understand it, send this to one person you care about. Because this doesn't just affect individuals, it affects families. Now let's break it down. Here are the 5 hidden energy killers. Number 5 is the digital sunlight trap. You think your phone only affects your eyes. Wrong. Your skin also reacts to light. So when you sit under bright LED lights at night, your body thinks, hey, it's midday. Now your brain is trying to sleep, but your cells are throwing a party. That's confusion, which creates exhaustion. Number 4 is the dead water problem. So you're drinking water, good, but your water, it's empty. Filters remove bad stuff, but they also remove minerals. And those minerals, they're like spark plugs. And no spark plugs means no ignition, which means no energy. So you drink more water, but you feel worse. Number 3 is the insulin shadow. This one is powerful. You eat something healthy, oatmeal, whole wheat bread, and boom, your blood sugar spikes, then crashes. But here's the hidden part. For hours after that, your body blocks access to stored fat. So even though you have energy stored, you can't use it. It's like you're standing next to firewood but can't light the fire. Number 2 is the cellular soot. Your cells burn fuel, but like any engine, they produce waste. If that waste builds up, energy production slows down. That's your brain fog. That's your fatigue. That's what causes your I can't think straight feeling. Now, the number 1 reason is that your power plants are no longer leaking. This is the big one. Your cells have become too efficient. I know that sounds like a good thing. It's not. Healthy cells actually waste energy on purpose. They release heat. They stay clean. They stay active. But when your cells stop doing that, they start storing everything: fat, toxins, fatigue. Your body becomes efficient at being tired. Now, how do you fix it? It's very simple. And guess what? You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need extreme diets. You just need to reset your system in 3 simple steps. Step 1, the 90-minute rule. When you wake up, do not drink coffee immediately. Wait 90 minutes. Let your body wake itself up naturally. This alone can shift your energy dramatically. Step 2, add minerals back. Before taking your water, add a tiny pinch of natural salt. That's it. Drink it. Now your body can actually use the water. Step 3, walk after eating. After your biggest meal, walk for 10 minutes. Not intense, just slow movement. This helps your body use energy instead of storing it. So you see, you don't need more sleep. You need better energy. And now you know exactly where yours is going. So don't try to fix everything at once. Start with step 1 tomorrow. Just that, and see what happens. Look around again. Who else needs this? Send them to them, because energy is contagious, and so is change. Remember, at Clear Health Academy, we take complex science and turn it into something you can actually use, so you can feel better, think clearer, and live stronger. I'll see you in the next video.